Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simon Samuel here. So guys, this is the part 2 of the video for the absolute cell references. So I want you guys to pay attention to this video because this part of the video is going to be very important. So we will be determining payroll using formula with absolute and mixed cell references. So we will make our cell E29 active and we and then type the following formula that calculates the gross pay including overtime. So let's insert the formula is E is equal to B29 multiply C29 add bracket B29 times so the absolute cell reference which is overtime. So B36 times D29. Bracket. Hit the enter. So, yes. Now copy the formula in cell E29 into range E30 to 34 with the fill handle. Now make cell F29 active and then type the following formula that calculates the amount of withholding tax, which that is going to be is equal to E29, that is gross pay, multiply E absolute cell reference, which is 36, and then hit enter. So for withholding tax rate is this the cell absolute cell reference. Now for social security, it's gonna be this cell reference. So we will type our formula in G29 and the following formula that calculates the amount of social security is E29 multiplied by H absolute 36 and then hit enter. And with the fill handle we will complete our rest cells. Now we will make cell H21 active and then type the following formula that calculates the net pay. So our formula will be E29 E29 minus F29 add G29 bracket close, hit the enter. So this is the net pay the employee gets after deducting the taxes. The gross pay was 2365, and after taxes and withholding taxes, the net pay is 1521.88 cents. So drag it and fill the rest of the cells with the fill handle. And our next topic, which is our last topic of this video, is determining simple interest using a formula with mixed cell reference. So we will make our cell B41 active, and we will type the formula containing mixed cell references. So it's gonna be is equal to A41, and then press F4 function key three times. One, two, three. This changes the cell reference to absolute cell reference, and then type multiply by B40. You see guys, A41 time multiply by B40. I will explain it later. Okay, and then for this, press F4 two times. One, two. So this makes the value absolute. So press the enter key. Now copy the formula to the right by completing the following steps. Make cell B41 active, and then use the fill handle to copy formula into cell F41, and with the range selected B41 to F41, use the fill handle to copy the formulas into cell F51. So you see guys, B B40 is the absolute cell reference. So when you insert dollar before the cell reference, it does changes the value. But if you insert the dollar sign after the cell reference, so that value, that cell remains constant. So this is our mixed cell references. I hope you got the idea of this formulas. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and do subscribe my channel and do practice all these formulas, and hit the bell icon button, and do share it because sharing is caring. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.